Hello students, Logan Phillips here, Professor P. In this video we'll be talking about your syllabus, specifically the syllabus for the Microsoft Word course. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is go into your Blackboard site. Underneath syllabus and pacing link, you will find your syllabus that you need to open up and follow along with. Now when you're opening it up, you should be greeted with a bright smiling face of me and in big blue letters, Microsoft Word. Now this syllabus, while the dates and times may change, will be the exact same format for any Microsoft Word course in any student in any section that I take. So the very first thing you should see on the top left hand corner is the course information about your specific classes. That will give you your CERN number, your campus, your course dates, the semester you're in, and of course the contact information about myself. Now my office phone number is 918-595-7485. The easiest way to reach me is always at my email address, which is logan.phillips1@tulsacc.edu. Now I want you to pay very close attention that the start date, end date, and assignments due date in this class are two different things. The start date and end date are set by your academic calendar. You can find that on the TCC website. Now all of your assignments will come due in this class on the final Friday of finals week at 11:59 p.m. The second it becomes Saturday of finals week, class will be over and any assignments that are open will be closed. If you have not uploaded your assignment, it will no longer allow you. So even though our class does not end to the Sunday of finals week, all assignments are due the Friday of finals week at 11:59 p.m. No extensions, no administrative withdrawals, no incompletes will be given for any reason. Now we have an open deadline course here, so this date is very important. The final Friday of finals week at 11:59 p.m. is the last date to complete any assignments in this course. So my contact information, if you need to come to my office, I'm at the Northeast Campus in A132 inside the Facet Center. My email is logan.phillips1@tulsacc.edu. Please remember when you're typing up my email to make sure to include that number 1. Every semester I have a student that sends me several emails to logan.phillips@tulsacc and I never receive them. I have students that email lance.phillips@tulsacc and I never receive them. If you do not put logan.phillips1@tulsacc.edu, I will not respond to your emails because I will not receive them. So that 1 is very important. Logan.Phillips@tulsacc is a student that used to go to TC. It's not me. Lance Phillips is not me. It's a professor at the West Campus. So make sure that you type in the correct address when you're trying to contact me. If something has gone wrong or there's been a problem that I haven't been able to deal with, you can always reach out to my School of Business and Information Technology. Their office phone number is 918-595-7639. They are in the office of the Southeast Campus, 4211, and my school dean is Travis White. Now, opening statement for this course. Email communication is imperative to successful completion of the course. We are an online digital professor, so email communication is your first line of contact. I am very seldom in my office. They will not allow me to forward that office phone number to my cell phone, which means I seldom get in there to actually check the voice messages on it. So whenever you're trying to reach me, make sure you email me first above all else. I will answer emails during the normal work week, Monday through Friday. I do not answer emails on the weekends, holidays, or any time where the university itself is closed. So if we are closed for winter break, if we're closed for Thanksgiving week, if we're closed for Columbus Day, I will not be answering emails on those days. I will be enjoying my time off the same way that you should be enjoying yours. So Monday through Friday, normal work hours. I will answer emails as they come in. You typically have it between 24 and 48 hour turnaround on emails, but I do try to get to them as fast as possible. If at any time you've emailed me and not received a response within about 72 hours, try me again. Something's happened and I may not have seen or received your email. The course prereq for this is Computer Concepts, CSCI 1203. There are several suggested courses I think you should take after this. I would strongly suggest you go speaking to an academic advisor. Now, in this course, we're going to be learning about important topics about Microsoft Word. You'll learn the basics of organization, of structure, of how to use the tools and the resources in Microsoft Word. You'll use this to develop into master content, where you can do multi-page reports, create templates and formats, design multiple types of documents. So this course will go from a very basic course all the way to a very advanced course in Microsoft Word. Now, for the required course material, this is a all-inclusive class, which means you do not need to purchase anything from the bookstore. But what that does mean is on your Bursar account, you will receive a payment or a charge for the content in this class. So while you do not need to purchase anything, things will be purchased for you on day one. This is a technology-based course, so hardware is expected. An up-to-date PC computer is required. Now, you can use a Macintosh computer. I have seen students successfully complete this course. I do not have a Mac. I cannot access a Mac computer. That is, a Mac is an Apple computer. And this course is designed to work in a business setting where the primary use is PCs. So for the course purpose, a PC is required. Now, this course is designed to be several types of assignments. You'll be doing business tasks, projects. You'll be working with SimPass, SimBooks, Sim projects, a variety of different learning materials, all designed to make you equivalent and effective inside Microsoft Word. Now, further instruction about what these types of pieces are can be found in the SimNet introduction section of your Blackboard course. We are a traditionally graded course, which means we use the 100 to a 90 is an A 89.9 to an 80 is a B, 79.9 to a 70 is a C, 69.9 to a 60 is a D, and anything below a 59.9 is an F. And now in this class, we work very much like a bank account. So as you complete assignments, your grade will go up, but as the first day, all of you have started with a zero balance in your bank account, which means on day one, all of you have an F. Now, with every single assignment you do, your points go up, your grade gets higher, and eventually you will get to a point where your grade is successful and you're happy with it. But that will take tremendous amounts of work, and so you'll be working from a bottom-up approach on your grading. Now, I do not round points. I do not give bonus points. Whatever you earn in this class is exactly the grade that you will receive on your transcript. So if you receive an 89.99 in the class, you will receive a B in your transcript. Make sure you understand that this class is out of 1,000 possible points. To get an A, you need 900 points. To get a B, you need 800 points. To get a C, you need 700 points. A D is 600 points. Anything below 600 points will receive an F in the class. As TCC policy, you are required to use the TCC email address. This is designated to you as a student when you first enroll. All announcements, emails, any communications from my part will go to your TCC email. As it is a computer class, you are highly recommended to have daily access to a computer. Now, while we are a self-paced class, there is a requirement that you will complete at least one assignment in every single given week of the class. If you fail to complete any assignments in a 7-day period, you will be withdrawn from the class for non-completion. So, all assignments are due the final day according to your pacing schedule, but you must be perpetually working in the class to stay in the class. Just like your job, if you don't show up to the job, you get fired. If you don't show up to the class, you will be removed from the class. So make sure you're paying attention and that every single week you go, you enroll, or go into the online, you complete at least one assignment. And that is complete one assignment. Not begin, not starting, but turned in for a grade. In every 7-day period, I check on Fridays, you must have completed an assignment, that in at least one assignment in the 7 days prior to the Friday when I check. So make sure you take that into account. All assignments in this class are due the final Friday of class at 11:59 p.m. Now, your final Friday is based on your academic calendar. You can choose to find that inside the TCC website, and I believe I've posted it up to your announcements when that final Friday is. So all assignments are due the final Friday of finals week at 11:59 p.m. The second it becomes Saturday of finals week, the class will be over and all assignments will be closed and no new work will be accepted. So make sure you're checking your late assignments or checking your assignments. Academic dishonesty, if you cheat in this class, if you plagiarize someone's work in this class, I have a zero tolerance policy. If I catch you cheating in the class, you will receive a 0 for the course. No exceptions, no apologies, no second chances. A single attempt at cheating will give you a 0 in the class, and I will turn you into the college for academic dishonesty. Now, by turning you into the college, this can cause you to lose financial aid, be removed from the college, be removed from your programs, be removed from TCC. But more importantly, it can cause you to lose financial aid, not just for the semester, but for the remainder of your life. The federal government and TCC is very serious about cheating. My systems are very astute at catching cheating. So if you use someone else's work, if you plagiarize from a previous semester of your own work, if you download something from online, it will result in a 0 in the class, and you will be removed from the class going forward. No second chances, and you will be turned into the college. This class is incredibly important to be active and engaged, which means you need to log in and complete assignments weekly. Remember that you will be withdrawn from the class if you do not complete an assignment in the 7-day window. The last date of attendance will be considered the last date that you correctly submitted an assignment. And all assignments are expected to be submitted and exams expected to be taken by the target dates on the pacing schedule. Non-attendance of this class does not constitute a withdrawal. You are an adult. Just because you have failed to do anything, I have the option of giving you an administrative withdrawal, or I can give you the F that you've earned in the class. So make sure that you get in and you do the work and you earn the grade that you're happy with. But remember, the absolute most important thing, if you do not complete an assignment for 7 days, you may be dropped from the class. So on Fridays, I will check. If you have not completed a single assignment in the 7 days prior to the Friday, you will be dropped from the class for non-completion. If you need to withdraw, make sure you check your academic calendar, find out when those withdrawal dates are. Any syllabus changes can be done by me at any time that I see fit. Any changes will be posted as an announcement to the Blackboard page, so make sure you're checking your announcements often. Tulsa Community Colleges has several student resources available to you. Make sure you follow those. If you're having problems with your technology, I unfortunately am unable to help you with your tech. You can either call 2000 at 918-595-2000. You can email call2000@tulsacc.edu, or if you're having problems with the SIMnet environment, you can call their IT department there as well. But I cannot work liability-wise on any of your technology, and I do not have authority to work on the technology that TCC offers. So make sure that you're checking your technology. If you need support, you contact the correct people. You have some syllabus addendums. Your student contact is expected to be done. There is a non-discrimination policy at TCC. We have pregnancy accommodations if you announce to me that you have that. Past that, you need to read through your course syllabus. You need to read through your student code of conduct and your student handbook. All the rules inside the student handbook, the student code of conduct, are in effect in this class in addition to your syllabus. Hi guys, my name is Logan Phillips, or Professor P. I am your professor for the Microsoft Word course. The big pieces to remember from this is that cheating is a very serious offense that will cause you to get a 0. All assignments in this class are due the final Friday of finals week at 11:59 p.m. And if you go 7 days without completing an assignment, you can be dropped from the class for non-attendance. And past that, remember that my email address is logan.1 at Tulsa, or logan.phillips1 at tulsacc.edu. All right, guys, welcome to the class. You're going to do fantastic. Trust me, things might be difficult at the very beginning, but as you work through this, it will make more sense. It'll get better. You will get better at doing the materials. So, guys, come in, start working, enjoy the class. If you need me, reach out. Otherwise, have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.